There are gardening tricks that even experienced growers do not always know. Some things that usually end up in the trash can actually turn into real treasures for your plants. Stay with us until the end of this video because what you will see here is something truly unique, and the results might leave you speechless. Have you ever wondered why some cucumber plants have strong stems, large green leaves, and keep producing fruit until late autumn, while others start to wither and turn yellow in the middle of summer? The answer is not in expensive fertilizers, but in a simple ingredient you probably already have at home. But before I reveal what it is, tell me in the comments how you save your plants when the leaves start turning yellow. Friends, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you get notified when we post something new. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if you reuse kitchen scraps in your garden or throw them away. What I am showing you today is very simple. Just bury it near the roots. In just a few days, you will notice how the leaves become darker, the flowers stronger, and the roots more capable of feeding the entire plant. This natural solution improves soil health, supports beneficial life in the ground, and releases nutrients where cucumbers need them the most. No chemicals, no cost, only nature. Now comes the part you have all been waiting for. What should you bury and how? Take 1 or 2 potatoes and cut them into smaller pieces. Dig a hole about 5 to 7 centimeters deep and around 10 centimeters from the cucumber stem. Place the potato pieces in the hole and cover them with soil. It is best to do this early in the morning or in the evening while the soil is still cool. Water the area right after so the nutrients can start reaching the roots. Potatoes are full of starch, potassium, and organic matter that slowly feed the plant and improve the quality of the soil. Try this and let me know how it worked for you. The results may surprise you. And dear friends, feel free to share this video with others who might find it helpful. Thank you,